What's up guys? So I will be unboxing and reviewing the Ledger Nano S Plus for you today. This is Ledger's newest product and was recently released. The case is definitely different than your standard Ledger Nano S. As we uncover the lid, you can immediately see the shiny cover. Trust yourself. The ledger sits on top with your recovery sheet to write your seed phrase. At the bottom, there are instructions on how to set it up with the USB-C cable to power up your Nano Plus. I will not be going over the setup phase because there are plenty of other resources that you can find online. So I have a Ledger Nano S here and a Nano S Plus for comparison. They both have a metal cover, which gives it a nice protection. The length and height are the same. The Plus is actually thicker, probably because it has more storage capability. The screen is also a lot bigger, which definitely helps. The LED is white compared to the bluish tint on the Ledger Nano S. The buttons on the Plus are also bigger. I just wish they were more clicky, but the size increase does make it easy to navigate on the UI. Overall, the bigger aspect of the Nano S Plus is a plus. So the amount of storage space on the Nano S Plus is definitely the best reason to purchase one. I've downloaded 10 apps and they only took up half the storage space. Whereas on the standard Ledger Nano S, I could fit up to only 3 apps. If you have many cryptos you want to secure, the Plus is the way to go. Now on to the pricing. For comparison, the Nano S costs about $60, whereas the Nano S Plus costs $80. Investing $80 to safely secure crypto is a no-brainer for me, especially with only a $20 upgrade from the Nano S to the Nano S Plus that includes way more storage. Ledger in general is a good quality device with regular software updates released from the Ledger company. It gives me the security I need to interact with cryptos and different DeFi platforms.